In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can add objects and change object properties in Cosmic Playground on Roblox. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comments section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there, but first things first, open up the game and look down at the very bottom. You're going to see a little plus icon. That's the add icon right there. So go ahead and select that, and you can open up the object section right here, and you're going to see a bunch of different stuff like planets, moons, and so much more. Essentially, just go ahead and choose whatever you want. For example, we'll go ahead and select this, and then we could change what we want it to orbit around, like this, for example, and it'll go ahead and start orbiting exactly where we want it. Here's another thing. We'll go ahead and put this one here, and maybe we'll also go ahead and put Earth in here as well. But yeah, the process really is as simple as that. Properties are right here as well. You can go ahead and adjust that, and there's also creator settings. So go through, adjust these however you would like. If you guys had any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.